In front of me is Realme Narzo N61, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on gear icon at the top of it. Then click on the best theme for you from the long list of available ones. Click on this switcher next to keyboarders to turn them on or off and hit apply. To customize it though, use the same icon of a color palette and this time click on this plus under my themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move and hit next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right. Tap on Done, manage keyboarders and hit apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!